Today we're looking at Bosch's professional press tool, a cordless powerhouse designed for fast, torch-free connections across a range of pipe sizes. Let's dive in to see why this tool could be a game changer in your toolkit. This model is built with Bosch's signature focus on durability and comfort. The elongated body and rotating head let you maneuver the tool effortlessly in tight, awkward spots, a must for plumbing in confined spaces. Bosch uses durable materials that provide long-term reliability, and the addition of a battery cage shields the power pack from impact, which can be a common occurrence on job sites. The tool also weighs less than most competing models, making it easier to operate with one hand. Combined with a well-designed handle that feels comfortable even during extended use, this press tool is clearly crafted for professionals who need a reliable, all-day workhorse. One of the standout features of this Bosch press tool is its torch-free, solder-free press function. This design allows users to make strong, secure connections without the need to drain water out of pipes. With a clamping force of 32 kilonewtons, the tool can quickly connect metal pipes up to 54 millimeters and plastic pipes up to 110 millimeters. The press cycle is impressively fast, taking only about 3 seconds per press, which helps you complete jobs quickly without sacrificing quality. The 360-degree rotatable head is another benefit that many professionals will appreciate, allowing for easy access from various angles. Additionally, the tool's LED work light ensures that even in dark corners or basements, you'll have adequate visibility. A unique feature is the tool's compatibility with universal press jaws. This means it not only fits Bosch-branded jaws, but can also adapt to other brands, providing extra flexibility if you're working with a variety of pipe materials. Compared to similar models such as Milwaukee, the Bosch stands out with a more compact, ergonomic build, making it ideal for jobs in tighter spaces. While both tools offer similar pressing forces and rapid cycle times, Bosch's extended compatibility with third-party jaws adds versatility that Milwaukee lacks. Additionally, the Bosch model is often more affordable, which may appeal to budget-conscious buyers. Priced around $3,200, the Bosch press tool is a significant investment but offers excellent value for professionals due to its robust performance, build quality, and versatility. Be sure to check the Amazon link in the description for current details or bundle offers that could enhance your purchase value. Let's break down the key benefits and any potential limitations of the Bosch press tool. Cons: high initial cost, not budget-friendly. Heavy-duty focus, excessive for small or DIY jobs. Proprietary batteries, limited to Bosch Core 18 volts. Pros: high pressing force, ensures secure connections. Fast 3-second cycle, speeds up workflow. Universal jaw compatibility, works with Bosch standard jaws. 360-degree rotating head, great for tight spaces. LED work light, improves visibility. Durable battery protection, prolongs battery life. Reliable warranty, 5-year limited warranty. If you're looking for a press tool that combines power, precision, and reliability, the Bosch Press Toolkit is a standout choice. For the best value, use the Amazon link in the description and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews and comparisons. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts on this tool.